It is safety first out here, of course. I have my TV. We're gonna see if we can get some Fortnite Battle Royale going for you guys. Oh, I have PS4. Essentially, guys, let me take you to my crib, guys. MTV. We're doing the Fortnite setup. Let's go, boys. Through here? Alright. Sounds good to me, boys. Got a nice fine TV. So yeah, guys, hit that like button. This is gonna be a wild day. We're just living for free. I don't think you should have to spend money to play Fortnite, should you? It's a free game, so we should be able to play it for free, boys. Oh, looks like we might have some guests today, boys. Who is it? Well, boys, welcome to the new place.
Thank you, fam.
So, boys, looks like today we might be living for free, guys. This is a brand new, unfinished apartment, and we might be living for free, boys. What is this, boys? What's the story behind this?
This is the extension cord.
Extension? Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait, boys.
This goes to the generator that we set up so we can play PS4.
There's a generator. A little dusty, but she gets the job done. Didn't want us to win, but we have power. Everything worked out. Only one last thing stopping us, guys. You guess it, Wi-Fi. Not for us, thank God.
Oh my.
That scared the abs. Anyways, boys, back to the Wi-Fi. Do you want to do a hotspot?
Yeah.
Fuck, boys, guess I am then. Boys, that is so insane.
Where are we dropping, boys?
Leave a like, guys. This is mentally ill. Playing PS4 for free. Living for free inside an apartment, boys.
No rent.
No rent. Where are we dropping, boys?
We're dropping containers.
Oh, container. Yeah, it's 276. It just spiked up. I'm not going to keep the hotspot going for that long, guys. We just mainly wanted to fuck around. Didn't set up the PS4. I don't know how long I even want to have this set up, but it's like the fact that I even got this far. Pretty crazy, guys. All right, get the construction site kill. Oh, get him. Oh.
Fuck. I was going to shoot his
Razor Rick. Well, little did he know, we're in a site, boys. I think we're going to pack up the PS4, guys. We're going to fuck around, maybe play some hide and seek, possibly head up to the roof. But before that, we have to get some snacks. So we're going to take our lunch, I think. We'll see you guys after lunch. All right, guys, so we got lunch. We took a little break, and literally we come back, and there's just a live guard, like, inside the site. I'm thinking, boys, we might have to send past him. I knew this would be a successful day. We played PS4, we played Fortnite. Now we have a roof to hit, guys. We have hide and seek to play. More stuff to do. I'll see you guys in a sec. We have to play hide and seek, boys, after lunch, right?
Yeah.
I call not being it first.
Say.
Oliver, you're it.
No.
Yes, Oliver, you're it, dude. I'm sorry. Count to 100. Let's go, Reese. Let's go. We can't leave the floor. Reese. All right, we'll meet up. Ow, boys. I'm in here. This is a pretty good hiding spot. It's like.
I gave up. I told you, it was so hard to find you. There's like millions of rooms.
We were running around.
We were constantly moving, dude. We tried. Anyways, guys, it's been a great video. We're gonna make a part 2 soon. Hit that fucking like button, guys. This was mental. We played Fortnite. Drop a comment, like, drop a like. Like, come on, guys. J-Dums.
Out.
Out. See you guys next week. Have a great day.